Have you ever been on the verge of grabbing a golden opportunity, only to consciously decide to close the door and move in a different direction? This is exactly what David Holtz did. He said no to not just one, but 2 job offers from Apple, a company that a lot of people see as the peak of technological innovation. It might seem like a strange choice to many. What could be more appealing than a chance to build a career at a company like Apple? It turns out, the story of David Holtz is full of surprises that go against the usual beliefs about what it means to be successful. It is an exciting journey that takes an unexpected path, showing us a different perspective on success. Born and raised in Fort Lauderdale, South Florida, David grew up in an environment that was far from the tech hubs of Silicon Valley. His father was a dentist with a unique practice. He operated out of a sailboat and would sail around the Caribbean to treat his patients. This unconventional upbringing instilled in David a sense of adventure and a knack for thinking outside the box. As a child, David didn't have many friends his age in the neighborhood, which was predominantly populated by older people. The lack of companions encouraged him to forge a bond with computers. His fascination with technology began with using his father's work computer. But it wasn't just idle curiosity. David started coding in Scheme at a young age. However, his true motivation came when he discovered he could hack the game Star Wars Jedi Knight Dark Forces to shoot rockets out of his character's hands. This was a pivotal moment that made him realize the limitless possibilities of coding. When it was time for David to pursue higher education, he chose the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. There, he worked tirelessly to earn dual degrees in math and physics. His insatiable thirst for knowledge didn't stop there. He wanted to pursue both subjects in grad school, but was forced to choose one. Ultimately, he picked applied math, considering it a middle ground that could offer him the best of both worlds. In the pursuit of his PhD, David embraced opportunities to work at prestigious institutions like NASA Langley and the Max Planck Institute. Yet, handling numerous projects simultaneously began to take its toll on him. It was during this period that he recognized the importance of dedicating himself to what truly resonated with him. Thus, he embarked on a new journey, laying the foundation of his inaugural startup, Leap Motion. And now this is where David Holtz's relationship with Apple, a tale of opportunities and decisions, comes into the spotlight. You see, Leap Motion, the company he co-founded, had developed groundbreaking hand-tracking hardware that caught the eye of tech giant Apple. The Cupertino-based company was so impressed that they attempted to acquire Leap Motion not once, but twice. The first attempt came in 2013, when Apple was keen on integrating Leap Motion's technology into its then nascent mixed reality initiatives. Apple planned to acquire Leap's team and intellectual property, but had no interest in the company's key accessory, an $80 box that translated complex hand motions into gesture inputs for computers. David's response to Apple's offer was nothing short of audacious. He told Apple that their technology was no longer innovative, and even went on to praise Google's Android operating system. A former Leap Motion employee revealed that David effectively said, "I'm never going to go work for those guys, they're the devil." This bold stance led to the collapse of the potential buyout. But Apple didn't give up on Leap Motion. Later on, they tried to buy the company again, offering $30 to $50 million. They even sent official offer letters and employee benefit details. But once more, the deal didn't happen. The founders felt Leap Motion was worth more than Apple's bid. David's choice to turn down Apple twice wasn't just about money. He believed in the future of Leap Motion. At its highest value, Leap Motion was worth around $306 million. But David believed the company had a bigger future ahead. Even when the company struggled with money and lost workers, David kept going, looking for other business opportunities and collaborations. In the bustling tech hub of San Francisco, a revolutionary idea was taking shape, and David Holtz was at the helm of this innovation. Mid-Journey, as it would soon be known, was not just another tech startup. The idea was sparked by a groundbreaking academic paper on diffusion models for image creation. David saw the untapped potential in this technology and decided to take a calculated risk. His vision was clear: to build a platform that would revolutionize the way we think about AI-generated content. The platform's unique capability was to transform textual prompts into visual masterpieces. However, this was not just about creating another image generator, it was about reimagining the very essence of creativity. And the timing was perfect. With OpenAI releasing the DALL-E 2 model, which was really good at turning text into images, it was the right time for Midjourney to start. The company, based in San Francisco, became popular when one of the images it made won a prize at a competition in Colorado. And that was just the start. But the journey to realizing this dream wasn't without its challenges. The tech industry is rife with competition, and every new venture faces the daunting task of carving out its niche. However, what set Midjourney apart was its emphasis on painterly aesthetics. While other platforms were striving for hyperrealism, Midjourney celebrated the abstract, the imaginative. Holtz was particularly wary of the uncanny nature of deepfakes and other technologies that mimicked reality too closely. For him, Midjourney was a canvas for the human imagination, not a tool for replicating the real world. It was about empowering ordinary individuals to craft beautiful images simply by describing them. But what truly set the company apart was its commitment to community-driven growth. David chose Discord as the platform to build a thriving user community, focusing on collaborative innovation rather than just revenue. The success of any startup is a combination of innovation, timing, and market demand. For Midjourney, these elements aligned perfectly. As the platform gained recognition, millions flocked to experience its magic, and it caught the attention of professionals and amateurs alike. The community grew exponentially, with the Midjourney Discord server boasting over 2 million members, making it one of the largest active Discord servers. The success of Midjourney didn't happen overnight, but when it took off, it soared. A big reason for this was how much the company cared about making things easy for its users. David, who was a part of the company, knew that Midjourney had to be both high-tech and easy to use. He thought that it should help people use their imagination. He once said, "Sometimes we use imagination for art, but many times we don't." He felt that Midjourney was special because it met the real needs of its users. They worked hard to make sure Midjourney could make great images quickly, something not many AI models can do. But technological prowess wasn't the only thing driving Midjourney's success. David understood how AI could affect the world of creative work, and this gave the company a special advantage. Some people were worried that AI-created images might mean fewer jobs for artists. Would AI take over the role of human creativity? Holtz didn't think so. He felt that AI could help artists, but it couldn't take the place of human creativity. For him, it wasn't about saving money. It was about making better content. He imagined a future where there would be a bigger demand for top quality and varied content, which would offer more chances for artists to succeed. In today's world, many startups see getting venture capital as essential, but David Holtz chose a different path for Midjourney. When he started the company in mid-2021, many venture capitalists wanted to invest. He got lots of emails, calls, and introductions from people he knew. Some even sent him offers without him asking, but David was determined not to take outside money. This decision surprised many people, especially because AI-focused companies had recently raised over $17 billion. David's choice to turn down venture capital made Midjourney stand out and got a lot of people talking in the investment community. By funding the company himself, David was able to make all the decisions and focus on new ideas and making users happy. With just 40 employees, the company made over $200 million, and he didn't take any money from outside investors. This shows that startups don't always need venture capital to succeed. David's way of funding Midjourney has changed how people think about success in the startup world. David Holtz's story is not just about building a successful business. It's about having the courage to be different. He chose to follow a unique vision, even if it meant giving up a guaranteed future. Now, Midjourney is a shining example of what someone can accomplish with true passion and strong determination. So when you're making big decisions in your life, think about this. Do you want to follow a safe route that might not make you truly happy? If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.